Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add folder in folders on your bookmark bar. And if you look at my screen here, you can see that I have a folder here and there's inside folder. So how do we do it? And we can even put folder in folder in folder. It is super easy. So once you have your bookmark bar here, you can simply go ahead and right click and just simply go ahead and click add new folder. Now once you choose to add a new folder, you can give it a name. Let me go ahead and just type something. But the important part is that to add it in a specific folder, you want to expand the bookmark bar folder, find the folder that you want to add it in and expand it again. And you can even click on that to put the folder in that folder. If you just wanted to add it to this folder, just click on the folder name like here, and it will be added in once you click on save. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just add that folder which I now create inside this new folder here and click on save. Now you will see now once I click on this folder here, which is ABC and my bookmark, you will see that I have two folders here. Then I add this one here, and here you can see that I have the folder inside the folder. And that's it, guys. You can always go ahead and create folders inside folders on your Google Chrome bookmark bar. This is one way we can use to organize sites for a website that you will be bookmark in Google Chrome. Alternatively, if you want to manage sites and organize sites, I recommend that you also check out the group tabs. That's going to allow you to open up a bunch of tabs, and it's going to allow you to create a group tab or tab group on Google Chrome. So if you click on this, you can create tab groups. It simply means that you'll be able to enter the name of the tab groups and whatever website you have on a specific page or in a specific section, you can group them together as tab groups, and you can always open them whenever you're ready. But so that's another way, guys. You can even give it a color. You can check that out. Very easy and very simple.